Hello friends, welcome to Finance Tech. This is Vivo Z1 Pro smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can take a slow motion video in Vivo Z1 Pro smartphone. First of all, you need to open camera in your phone. Just click on camera and tap on video. Click on this icon and click on SLO-MO. Now start recording. The recorder file will be in slow motion. See the demo here. I record this video. And stopping the video. Now play the video. This is the video I have taken. See here, this is slowly playing. The action is very slow. So in this way you can record anything as slow motion video. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, take care. Bye bye. See you.